In the last tutorial we've shown how to insert a table onto the page, and what we're going to look at now is how to adjust the table, adjust the settings in the table to align the different components in different ways. I've already inserted some text and images into the table that we set up the last time, and what I'm going to do now is show you how you can actually adjust the various components. The images, for instance, the image is set up on the left hand side. I prefer it in the center of that column, so if I click on the image and just click on the center, align center icon, that will center the image. The text in this box, I actually don't want that centered or level with the middle of the image. I'd prefer it at the top of the table. So to do that, I click on the table cell properties icon, and the little screen that comes up, it gives me different options, and one of them is vertical alignment. I want the text to be at the top of its cell, so I select top, click update, and as you can see, it's moved the text. There are various other things we can do with the table. Of course, you can edit your text within the table in exactly the same way as you would if there were no table here. The icons above here all work in the same way as they do without a table in place. But with the table, for instance, in this instance, I might want to have this particular row with no columns, so that I can have the text running all the way across. So what I do is I place the cursor in one of the cells on that row. I then go back up and I click the this little icon here which says merge table cells. Once I click that, it asks me you want to merge which table cells. I want to merge two columns from that place where I placed my cursor. If I update that, nothing happens. Let's try that again. I want to merge two columns, update, it's happened that time. I think my computer is in need of a reboot, so I might go away and do that shortly. But now you can see, similarly, if you want to change that row that you've just taken the columns out of and you want to revert it back, if you click on the icon up here, split merge table cells, that will actually put the columns back in place. If you want to remove a row, the icon here, delete row, click there, and that row has been removed. If you need, when you're wanting to remove a row, you actually place the cursor in the row that you want to move, click that icon, and it'll remove the row. Similarly, if you want to add a row, above the row that the cursor is currently in, you use this icon, and that inserts a row above the row that we were in before. Or if you want to insert a row below the row that the cursor is in, you use the icon here. So there we go. It shows you how you can set up tables and adjust them and use them to align your text and images and whatever you have on the page to make the page look so much neater.